Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the answer for the 7th clue in Steam Summer Sale 2022. Let's go find it, and now in order to find it we'll need to change these tabs right here. So first let's go for Action RPG, and we'll be looking for the game called Help the King Get to the Toilet. So here it is, let's click on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.